Hello darlings, welcome to Edwigealamode, where I share all things fabulous. If you're new here, my name is Edwige and I love fashion, beauty and lifestyle. This is a bit different, but you guys have seen me with my hair like plaited all back, but this is literally my natural hair and it's not bad. I'm kind of liking it, you know, it's giving that rich auntie vibes, which we love to see. If you're new here, please subscribe, comment down below and say hey to your girl. So today's video is a wig video. So you guys, summer is here, well, almost here, and I thought it would be interesting to try something new, completely new. It's been a while since I've had braids, and today's video is kindly sponsored by FANCYVIVI, and they have sent me this beautiful wig and it's come in this bag like so. Now I'm going to show you what's in the box. So we have a deluxe wig cap like so. It also comes with hair clips and what are these, lashes. I have 2 pairs of the cap, and then we also have the head cap. So FANCYVIVI is an exciting wig brand. They've just started up and they are already making such a huge name for themselves across all platforms. They are specializing in natural scalp wigs, okay, which is 100% hand tied with baby hairs around, which allows for a seamless hairline transition, no bumps and no gaps. And this wig looks very realistic, so we are going to test it out. And also they have premium Japanese synthetic fiber, which is silky, neat and leaves no smell. And the color does not fade, and the wigs are lightweight, not rough, smooth, tight, compact, very soft and easy to separate and easy to wear. So this is a cornrow boxed braided wig that I have, and it's designed with a knotless large square braid which can be separated and can be dyed with various hairstyles. This wig is for my busy girls who are always working. So this is the wig. Guys, I'm really excited to try this out because you guys know that I like braids, but I don't have the patience to sit there and get it done. So so this is gonna really come in handy. Let me take off the net and then I can show you the wig close by. I like that the braid is actually quite lightweight. So can you see that? It's really lightweight. It doesn't look heavy, so it's not going to be weighty on your head. And the scalp, as you can see, looks very natural. Can you see that? Very natural scalp, and I'm really excited to try this out. It comes with baby hairs, as you can see. I just need to cut the lace. Braids are a great hairstyle, but they take a lot of time. I don't have patience and they're quite expensive as well, let's be honest, do you know what I mean? So I think this is such a great way to switch hairstyles, especially for my girls that are planning to travel this year. You want to be switching up your looks, switching up your wigs. Definitely you could check out FANCYVIVI and check out this braided hairstyle. I love that it already comes with very thick baby hairs, which will help to make the hair look seamless and super natural. Again, I will just show you the scalp so that you can see what it looks like. And then here we are with the baby hairs. You can see it's really thick hair, which is going to make life so much easier. And so yeah, let's go ahead so that I can try this. Inside we have a clip here. We have 3 clips, another here and another here, so that you can secure your wig. So let's go ahead and try this on. I'm really anxious, but I'm excited at the same time. I should have brought a mirror here actually. 1 second, I'll be right back. I've put my mirror on the side here so that I can see, because I don't have a table here. So I just want to be able to see this properly. The wig feels very lightweight. I have a mirror here, so I'm just gonna see. Wig feels very lightweight, and I like that I could wear it any way that I want. So actually, do you know what I'm gonna do? I'm thinking to put the cap on my head, but nonetheless, I don't actually think I need it. I could just, the lace already comes tinted, but I think I want mine just a little bit more brighter. So So I will probably go ahead and put concealer, or not concealer, powder, but I'll probably put some powder, but I just want to cut the lace quickly so that I can show you. So again, I'm just looking here because my mirror is here. Let me move you closer. So once again, comes with already made baby hairs. As you can see, it's blended in so well. Comes with baby hairs and it blends in so well with my natural hair texture, which I'm really liking so far. And I like how full they've made the baby hairs, and everything has been designed so that all you have to do is cut the lace. And I would just set my baby hairs with some mousse and that's it. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and just cut the lace. So the lace literally, oh, is this my own hair? I thought that was part of the braid for a second. So what I'm gonna do, actually, I'm gonna remove the braid because I'm gonna cut the lace from the back, because the baby hairs actually go all the way around to the back, which is really great. So I'm just gonna cut the lace from the back in a zigzag motion. Oh, I don't wanna get the baby hairs. This is really good for getting that realistic look. I love that they've been so thoughtful of getting the wig around. So guys, I'll leave all the details about this wig in the description box down below, including a discount, as you do. I'm gonna cut the lace at the front so that you can see. So I'm just literally doing a zigzag motion and trying my best not to get the baby hairs, because you guys know how much I love baby hairs. I feel like if you want to get a realistic look with your wig, it's best to keep baby hairs, or to do it properly, at least to try and do it properly. I think it's important to have baby hairs on the wig to try and get the best look. So I'm just gonna cut the lace quickly so that you can see. I think I kind of messed up here, but it's fine. So there we go. There we go. Okay, cool. So I've cut that part. I just need to go ahead and cut this part. Okay, and then here I'm just gonna okay, cool. So I'm just gonna do that. Okie dokie. So I've cut the lace now. I'm gonna put the wig on. And there we go. I really like how the wig is looking. So as you can see, it's really flat on my head, which is a plus, because what you don't want is a bumpy look. I like that this is sitting on my head correctly. Like, I cannot wait to wear this on holiday. It's giving Janet Jackson poetic justice. Do you know what I mean? I love it. I love it. I'm gonna set my edges with the mousse, so that everything stays in place, you know. But I like that it's quite fluffy. The baby hairs are quite fluffy. It's a really good look because it just makes everything look super natural. Do you know what I mean? I really like that. And this is a glueless wig. But If you're extra, you could glue it down if you just want that extra security, but you really do not need to glue this wig. It's a glueless wig, and it contains clips inside just to keep everything in place for you. I really like this. I was quite anxious to try this because I was like, oh, I'm not sure how much, like if it's gonna work for me, but it actually does. I just love how curly the baby hairs are. I really love this. So there you go. I've just added some mousse. The hair comes ready, so all you have to do is cut the lace. And then now I'm just gonna spray my Bond lace spray, because I like what this does to the wig and to the baby hairs. So I'm just gonna do it like that, and we are ready to go to the if you wanted to add some color to the scalp, you could, but I think this blends very, very well with my scalp, so I don't need to do anything else. All I've done to the wig is cut the lace. All I've done to the wig is cut the lace and styled the baby hairs a little bit, but I like how the baby hairs already comes done. It's been cut. I like that the baby hairs have been cut and styled for you, so you don't have to do anything. As you can see, everything blends in pretty well. My natural hairline starts from here, and I didn't keep any of the baby hairs here just to have a more realistic look. So this is what the hair is looking like on the side. I think this looks very, very natural, blends in super well. You ladies, comment down below. Let me know what you think about this style of wig. Would you rock it? Would you not? I think this looks incredible. I love that it comes done. And the fun fact is that you can actually style it many ways. So you could even like flip it this way. We can flip it this way, have it on one side. You could style it. You could do half up, half down, and then have some, you know, on the sides. This is how I would probably style it. Like tie it up, have some on the side. But I'm definitely a middle part girl, so I would just rock mine very, very simple. I love this look. What do we think? Is this a yay or is this a nay? I would love to know if you would try something like this. I don't know, but I'm loving it. I feel like this is really good, especially for holidays. Like I said, doing extensions, babes, I don't have the patience. I do not have the patience. Like, I love how natural. I love how it's not too full, so it's not heavy on the head. Like, it's really light. You ladies, comment down below and let me know what you think. This wig is 36 inches. As you can see, like, it's really, really long. Would you dare to try this? So I would also tie it up like that, but generally I would wear my braids down like so. I think this looks really good. So don't forget to sign up using code NEW20, which gives you $20 off. And this is only for new signs up. So I'm really looking forward to hear what you guys think. Try it out and let me know. Once again, thank you so much to FANCYVIVI for sponsoring today's video and allowing me to try this new look, which I'm going to be rocking this summer, because you guys know I don't have the patience to sit down to get braids done. And I just love how lightweight it is. Again, the scalp is really natural looking. The hair itself feels super lightweight on my head, and I love how it looks. I love the color. It's like a 1B, so it's like a nice natural black color. It literally looks like I've had my hair braided, and I love how natural the scalp also looks. I love how natural the scalp also looks. I've got my hair has been plaited underneath, but there's no bump. Like, there's literally no bump. I'm sure you can see from where you are that it's not bumpy at all. So this is a great way if you want to change up your look for summer, try braids. If you've always wanted to try braids and you're scared of it, then this wig is perfect, babe. This wig is perfect for you to try. I would also style it up like so. How does that look? I don't have any hairbands on me, sorry. So like, but generally whenever I did have braids in the past, I always had it down. I like the look that it gives. It's giving Janet Jackson, Poetic Justice. Like, I just love that look. I always have it down, or I have one side front and one side to the back. I find it very, very classy. I'm really loving the baby hairs. This is what really makes the wig look really realistic for me. I love that the baby hairs has been styled for you as well, making life so much easier. If you don't want them to look too fluffy, then you could literally lay them, but I kind of like how fluffy they look. It gives it more of a realistic look, and yeah, I just love this look. I'm really glad that I tried it. So once again, thank you so much to FANCYVIVI for sponsoring today's video. You guys comment down below, let me know what you think. Would you try this? Would you not? I would love to know. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.